नमस्ते डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इस लेक्चर के पार्ट 1 में मैंने आपको बताया था कि व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज टू स्टडी द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया एंड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड द लिटरेरी एंड आर्कियोलॉजिकल सोर्सेज टू स्टडी द हिस्ट्री। नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर। अब आपको ये जानना होगा, ड्यूरिंग एंशिएंट पीरियड we have less of literary sources available but more of archaeological sources are there to study ancient history of India. So during ancient period we have less of literary sources but more of archaeological sources to study. But there is a change during medieval period. What happened during medieval period? More of literary sources came to be produced during medieval period in India. So what happened that we have archaeological sources to study medieval history of India as well as literary sources to study the medieval history of India. So here we can say that there is a continuity from ancient to medieval period, that is in terms of archaeological sources, but there is also a discontinuity from ancient to medieval in terms of literary sources. So you need to know what is the discontinuity and what is the continuity. Moving further, why more of literary sources were produced during medieval period only? Why not during ancient period? So the answer is, during medieval period paper came to be in use. Okay, so use of paper helped in preserving the manuscripts in a better way. Okay, so paper helped in producing more of literary sources. So paper helped in writing texts, letters, petitions, and also in keeping records. Okay, now after this what you need to know is, there are some important terms given in your book. First is manuscripts. Manuscripts are the original handwritten records. These are the original handwritten records. Second term that you need to know is archives. What is an archive? Archives is a place where manuscripts are stored or preserved. Third term that you need to know is scribes. Who are scribes? Scribes are persons who copy manuscripts and produce different copies of manuscripts. So these are important terms relating to your chapter. Coming to next question. Next important question that you need to know in this chapter: what are the changes that occurred during medieval period in India? So we divide these changes into 4 important categories. Number 1 is political changes. What political changes occurred during medieval period in India? So a new ruling class emerged during medieval period. Okay, so new ruling class, that was the important political changes during medieval period. Next category of changes was cultural. Cultural changes also occurred during medieval period in India. Now what were these cultural changes? There were new eating habits. People got a variety of newer foods to eat. So they developed new eating habits, new dressing styles, and a newer belief system that emerged in India during medieval period. So these were the important cultural changes that occurred during medieval period. Third important change that occurred during medieval period were in terms of technological changes. टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस में क्या हुआ है मेडिवल पीरियड में? इन्वेंशन ऑफ पर्शियन व्हील और इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ पर्शियन व्हील. दिस वाज यूज्ड इन इरिगेशन. And what other technological change occurred in medieval period? That was use of spinning wheel. This helps in better production of cloth. Third important technological change that occurred during medieval period was use of firearms. See, use of firearms was an important change that occurred during medieval period because it changed the nature of war. Okay, so this is important in terms of technological changes that were introduced during medieval period. Now, fourth category of change during medieval period was social changes that occurred during medieval period. What were the social changes? See, there were intermingling of different peoples during medieval period. People who came from outside India and those people who were living in India. So they were intermingling. This gave rise to newer castes or jatis. Castes or jatis. So this was one important social change that occurred during medieval period. There was emergence of a new warrior class in West India. This was Rajputs. Rajputs are known for their valor and fighting skills. So these were the four categories of changes that we can see during medieval period. Political changes, cultural changes, technological changes and social changes. ये आपको जानने हैं. 4 categories, important है. Next question that you need to know in this chapter is study of history of India. How should you study history of India? So different historians gave different views. So British historians, if we see British historians, they divided history of India into 3 periods: Hindu period, Muslim period and British period. So this is not correct, as they divided history of India on the basis of religions, and no history can be a true history if you focus only upon religion. Okay, there were many other changes that occurred from ancient to medieval to modern period. So this division of history ignores all other changes in the social, cultural or political fields. This study of history of India cannot be termed as an authentic. Other way of studying history of India can be on the basis of themes. You can study history of India in different themes. We can study political history of India. We can study cultural history of India. We can study social history of India. We can study history of education in India, so on and so forth. हम history को बहुत से themes में divide करके पढ़ सकते हैं, and this can be a much more authentic way to study history, जिससे कि आप changes को भी trace कर सकते हो over a period of time. So this will bring a comparative analysis in you. So this thematic study of history can be termed as an authentic way of studying history. ये है बहुत important part इस chapter का जो आपको focus करना है. So इतना ही था इस chapter में मेरे हिसाब से. If you want some more discussion on this chapter, you can comment in the comment section given below. और मैंने नीचे डिस्कशन बॉक्स में इसी लेक्चर के पार्ट 1 का लिंक शेयर किया है, वो आप देख सकते हैं. प्लस मैंने अपने कुछ क्वेश्चन पेपर्स quizzes.com पे भी अपलोड किए हैं. यू कैन गो देयर एंड सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस to get a better grasp of the subject. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.